You see like with a boil, them a boil up now. If you have like a salt.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means when you're ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. At the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. So party with that St. Mary again. And we're in the same breadfruit tree again. Somebody different. This time we have breadfruit to roast. So one right this up on the limb with Shani broke. So curry. We say we can get about 5. Alright, so curry. And Alan down here stop the brush of them. So countryman do it. Who pick some and some drop. He curry tell them. That you can know if you find them when the picking done. Can't pick up that in there, so. Boiling brush, eh? Alan, don't move a muscle. Boop. Brush, eh? Why curry you drop him? Him want your curry.
Go down with your hand. Cool him down.
What you do, curry? Woo! Lord God, curry say cool him down.
You see?
Uncle Murphy? No, sir. Cool him down the Jacko. Yeah.
Take a catch now.
Go dive.
Easy catch up. Easy catch up outside. Why they come get you? Come here, come but this is one. Let go.
Curry, careful that boy. No, me can come, man.
Me carry on one breadfruit. One breadfruit do for we Yaad down a town. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One breadfruit.
Yeah, big.
Farm over Lango tongue there. Remember me tell you. Them the breadfruit tree they over there again. Gilbert pitch them over.
So how long we are doing now?
They're no big stuff. They're no big stuff. No? Me don't see no breadfruit big over there. So. Yeah. Take out the stem. Should be knife down in the heart. And we'll do it a little chop round. That means when it roast, it has soak right here. Yeah. Just like all the like it on handy. So
right now, yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, as a little baby breadfruit them here. We don't have a big one them.
And a big one them.
Then they not come in yet. Let me see now me go there land. Mag go on good.
Yeah man, you have a little yellow in there.
Not right at the right yellow yet, but think you can go on. Let me have the timer.
Yeah man, the timer this.
Timer them here. We call them breadfruit.
Timer.
Oh, so all the timer them, why we know say a timer?
The leaf of them.
Oh.
The leaf of them.
Shape different from the rest of breadfruit. Oh.
Look on them over there.
A different shape. Okay, okay. Okay.
You never know that. You look on the leaf of the tree then man, you know the difference. You look on the leaf, you know the difference. I look on the leaf, you will find.
Now carry the breadfruit, then they carry the breadfruut and they carry a roast breadfruit. So if you have cold the breadfruit, then cool them out.
Yeah, I get one for them, pitney we fry it over.
Right. Roast it and make you carry it down. When you carry it down, you have to go roast nothing.
Where fall there? You put it fall in the water? You fall tough? No, you fall chop up, so.
No,
A chicken back?
no man. You come like this never reach if five, so.
And she make you up. Oh, put in the water now. We want a big pot.
Okay.
Alan, we a big pot, them all then sitting there. So what I'm to when the big cooking all then something I go start. Are them a foolish to say keep up Alan?
Alan, I have to go come in and come get together with him.
Alan can't manage. Alan, you know what happened to Alan? Like him a get slow up.
No. It's like he want a little more vitamin V in his foot then.
Yeah, vitamin V.
Well,
Enough vitamin V in his foot then, you know what I mean? Yeah. I put on too much weight.
A true Alan. A curry always slim and trim.
Me have a slim and trim man, moving flexible, you know what I mean? Yeah, that is me curry. Yeah. I'm on the matrix style. Matrix side, you know what I mean? As a quint me gone, you know. Yeah, man.
Where's Alan slow up?
Alan too fat, man.
Have we go for diet, Alan?
Come like some mudfish in a river. It's a heat and I put on weight, hey? Yeah, man. Which is a papa?
Where you go on there, Alan? Do you mash it good enough to chop up that piece out stick there? Alright. We are make Alan chop up him stick them and then when he fry Alan make sure it's a good brush for your running a boy.
We have to man a real wood them, man.
Oh, alright. How can I wood that there?
Awesome.
What?
Real wood.
Alright, curry. Yes. Is that the real wood that curry? Tell them.
That is the real wood. We call it the horse wood. Yeah. Yeah, man. That one build the fire and roast the breadfruit, make the breadfruit look like a real roast. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright, curry.
Yeah.
There you have it. On a call for curry. See curry there.
This is the real curry talking, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright now, come now. Tell the people where the brush are then there. I saw some brushes side of me here, you know, boy. Here is put them out there so make them see them. Where you go along with them now? Curry wa go on, and rum you drink? Alright, aye, hello. So what go on this Alan?
Chat too much.
No problem.
Alright, Cor. So what you say you do this so?
Yeah. Well, these are the breadfruit fire we are line up for roast breadfruit. Roast breadfruit. Roasting breadfruit fire different from when you cook. Like say you cook on fire, pan wood fire.
Good sir.
Yeah, so we have fixed up the breadfruit fire now. To put on the breadfruit. We have about 6 breadfruit here to put on fire.
Alright, and
So
them
we have
this.
fix up a fire side to put on 6 breadfruit.
Alright.
Right, so
it here line up.
Yeah, it here fire.
Alright.
So when we make up one fire for roast breadfruit, that was one turn we make him.
Okay, you know what kind of spin them over like a marble now play.
Right. One turn we make.
Alright. Good sir. So yes, line up the fire.
Yeah, we are lining up the
So
fire now.
when the fire in blaze and everything occur, when you're ready to put on the breadfruit them, we are gonna check back in.
Yeah, check back in.
Yeah.
And you have to breadfruit on fire.
Alright.
Yeah.
So par you know say a country with there, you know.
Right, so you know
Say
anything can happen in my country.
yeah.
Right.
So I saw the countryman them do it. So alright, Alan, the breadfruit fire up there now.
Yeah, man, I set up there now.
Yeah, set him up there now.
Come up on top there now.
Oh, that have to cook chicken. That one you have to cook chicken. Okay. So fire still in progress. Breadfruit not ready for go on yet. When breadfruit ready for go on, yeah, fire have to catch up and have a good going good before you put on the brush then. All right.
Yes, Parry, I suffer with breadfruit for your stay, you know. So I start put on breadfruit you know, on fire. The fire start burn breadfruit, you know. So there's 6 packages, this, you know. And I put them on, you have to catch them for them keep up. Yeah.
So it says a 6-pack breadfruit fire that.
Yeah, 6 pack there.
All
Yeah,
right.
about 12 pack to you.
Yeah, that I go forgot ask you.
When you put them so you don't party, you go look some little thing and pack over it, you know, because when you make one turn, I roast breadfruit, roast. And then not. And then not leaching thing. The breadfruit roast and not joke. I roast breadfruit start roasting now, you know. Yeah. They on the fire bake. So when you not come here, them things you not go see.
All right.
Avenue.
Yeah. So Parry, I brush it. Where land guns here is? Where you say brush it fire, shoot a land? Yeah, man. So what I'm going for chicken, you know, change the chicken water. But I roast breadfruit and curry chicken, you know.
Just your water pan it.
Do I change again, man? Oi. Yeah, man, no problem. All right. So you say then good as them is and they not get too much burn, they not burn up.
No, man, they can't burn.
So me see fire so rampant. Oh.
What is jelly?
That time them all turn. Alright. So breadfruit fire move. 6-pack breadfruit fire. St. Mary 6-pack breadfruit fire.
Yeah, you see like what them a boil up now? If you have like a salt, and you can drop the salt at the heart of them, meanwhile them boiling up. When the breadfruit roast, finish roast, it's nothing nice, you know. You don't want no more salt, no nothing. The salt go and penetrate through the breadfruit
At you.
and give you a good flavor.
Yeah.
You
So
understand?
breadfruit with flavor.
Yes, breadfruit
All
with
right.
flavor.
Good, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Was it curry by best?
You have to go out when you're going out. What they call it?
Acting.
Give me the show, them, man. Oh. I eat you for dinner, man. You don't make money, you know.
No fun to know them type of thing.